Hi guys, here's a little 3D printing project. When we had the hot weather, you might be able to hear it's raining now, but when we had the hot weather and the sunshine, it gets very hot here in the conservatory. So you may have noticed we'd temporarily put some curtains up. These were what we'd used. We've taken them down and my wife's washed them. We use these, they're actually throws for putting on the bed and that sort of thing. They've got these convenient little trimming along the edge with loops in it. And as a temporary fix, all I'd done was bent some paper clips. Don't know if I can get close enough to grab one. Oh, there's one a bit closer. Yeah, I just bent some paper clips and they clip over this bit of plastic on our conservatory that's got a slot on the top of it. And when we were taking them down, I thought, hey, 3D printing project. So just there is my 3D printed hook for doing the same job. And I've just 3D printed a whole load more of them because I did one just to check it would work. So I'll just put a couple up there for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to put the curtains back up again completely because we don't need them. As I say, it's raining out there. Let's just see if I can do this one-handed. It doesn't need to be perfect to do this. There we go. And because they're white, they sort of disappear into the whiteness up there. So they're not quite so obtrusive as the bent paper clips. I'm rather pleased with that. That was it. A nice simple little 3D project. I'll leave them up there for now. Handy storage space for them. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.